If you want to make money online, watch this clip.
Twitter ads is the craziest place on the internet right now. I got 1.3 million impressions on this one ad, and for this I paid 60 cents.
Running ads on Twitter is so cheap right now simply because of supply and demand. It's no secret that Twitter has had a real cash flow issue because advertisers have stopped spending money over there due to Elon Musk's free speech policy. And a lot of brands simply don't want to put their products or services in front of what they consider to be hate speech. As a result, Musk has brought on Linda Yaccarino as the new CEO to basically turn this problem around by working to get advertisers again. Because of that, two things are currently in your favor if you have a product or service to sell on the internet. The first thing is that demand for ad space is at an all-time low on Twitter, which drives down your overall ad spend. But the second thing on top of that is in order to attract advertisers back, it seems like Twitter is actively giving advertisers mad discounts in order to get them excited about the platform again. The numbers you see in that video, 60 cents for 1.3 million impressions, doesn't exist anywhere else. You cannot get views this cheap on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, nowhere. Don't miss this opportunity, and make sure your friends don't miss it either by sending them this video.